Today I am making homemade fries. So I am going to use 15 potatoes because I am making a huge bowl of homemade fries. So I'm going to show you guys with one potato on how to slice it all up and create your wonderful crispy homemade fries. And the rest I'll cut them off camera so that it's faster and I do not waste much of your time. So once you have sliced them up like that straight up, now I'm gonna slice them up in the shape of my fries that I want. So if you want them smaller like mine, then I'm going in like that, slicing them up straight. If you want them big, then you just expand on your size of your knife. So then I'm just gonna take them at two so that it's a bit faster, and then also I'm gonna slice up the flat part as you see. So I use almost the whole potato of slicing it. So once all your potato is done, we are gonna wash out the starch from the potato in cold water, adding 1 cup of vinegar, adding 1 tablespoon of salt into the water. You can use any type of vinegar, but make sure it's white vinegar so that it does not give any color to your fries. And then I am just gonna wash that out and let it sit for a few seconds and let the water run, and making sure that all the starch are out from my fries. And then I'm gonna drain this using the drainer, but it looks like my drainer it's a bit small and I have a lot of fries. But yeah, let's use what we have at home, I guess. So, and then I am just gonna drain that out very well, making sure all the water is drained out. And then I am going to remove everything and making sure everything is safe, because I don't want to waste any fries at all. But as you can see, my drainer it's a bit small and my fries is huge, and I didn't want to do it like in portions. So yeah, I'm almost done. So I've drained out almost all my water. Then I'm going to transfer it back into that bowl. So now the other process is that now I need to drain out all the water very well. So I'm going to use a flat tray, and we're going to use a towel underneath, paper towel. So I'm just going to put that on my baking sheet, and then I'm going to transfer all my fries there and let the water drain out, so that when I fry, it's easier when your potato has less water. So I'll just transfer everything into that pan. So guys, please do me a favor, take a moment to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and let me know from where you guys are watching from. This will help me understand where my videos are going and how my homemade recipes are helping you all. So feel free to leave a comment for your girl Mariana, sharing you all love. So now that I've transferred all my potatoes into the tray and they have relaxed for like 5 minutes, now I'm gonna start with my oil to put it in the pan while my fries are cooling down. So make sure you have enough oil, because it takes half of a bottle of your oil to do homemade fries. But you can always reuse these fries. Like my oil I did with puff fat cake, now I'm using it for fries. So now I tried it with one fries to see if my oil is hot, and it's extremely hot. Now I'm transferring it per portion. Do not overload it, otherwise your fries will not be well cooked like mine. Look how crispy brownish these fries looks. Very, very, very delicious. So guys, stick around until the end of the video and I'll show you how I made my homemade sauce for fries. So just look how that beautiful the fries is coming out. I just love how it's looking, and it's yummy, and I can have it with anything as a side. So today we are having fries and chicken in my house. So now that my fries is all done, it looks crispy, it looks juicy, it's hot, ready to be eaten. Look just how beautiful that looks. Now I'm gonna do my sauce for my fries. I'm going in with mayonnaise, 2 spoons, and then I'm going in with a half how do you call it again, with a half pickle. Yes, I finally got the name. With a half pickle. And I'm just gonna slice that up to help my blender, and I'm gonna keep this small half. So I'm not sure, should I use a full one, should I use a half one, but I'm gonna go in with a half one. And then I'm gonna go in with ketchup. Usually use a spoon, so I just did like the multitask thing, but usually use 1 table of spoon. And then I'm gonna mix that up. As you can see, my sauce for my fries is ready. So make sure that is my sauce. Now I'm just gonna dig in into my fries and have a taste of my hard work. So guys, let's dig in. This fries already is so yummy. I'm just loving this. It's so yummy. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to share love and care wherever you find yourself. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.